one. I want you to tell me the name of this in the picture. Like, let's start with number one. That sport is known as hockey. What about number two? Do you know what is number two?
Number two is 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 skating
Skate.
rope.
Very good. Skates. Skating. Very good. And what about number three? What's that? Okay.
I don't know.
You don't know that one? Okay, number three is comics. You can read this one, like it has lots of pictures and it's for kids. You can have something like a story. There would be lots of characters in a comics. Like you could read this one if you like to read a lot about magical stories and anything. All right, so let's have the number four. Do you know that one? Specifically this one. Are you familiar with this? You could play a video out of this or a movie or a song. It's a
Videos.
videos. Yes, you can play a video with that one. What do you call this circle object in here? Starts with letter D. Do you have an idea? D. No?
Don't know.
No. Okay. So let's have the answer. That is actually a DVD.
DVD.
You know DVD? No, because these are very old. Like we don't have it now because we can just watch movies in our phone or in our computer. That is why we don't have DVDs anymore. What about number five? I know.
Piano.
Very good. That is a piano. What about number six? What is that man doing in there?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool? How about what's the man doing in there? The man.
Swim
Very good. Swimming. And what about number seven? What's that?
radio.
Oh, a radio. Very good. A radio
Radio.
in the car. And what about number eight?
Table tennis.
You know table tennis. You are so good with this one. You like table tennis, do you?
That
Because
is
you,
the pickleball.
oh, it's almost the same with pickleball. But pickleball is, you need a lot of space. Table tennis is just a table. Very good. That is the answer.